Today, we're going to dive into a skill that's becoming absolutely essential if you work with AI. The goal here is simple, to show you how to stop getting those kind of meh responses from your AI and start getting dramatically better results every single time.
You know the feeling, right? You have this brilliant idea in your head. You type it out, you hit enter, and what you get back is just generic, totally unhelpful, or sometimes just flat out wrong. It's so frustrating. It feels like you and the AI are speaking completely different languages.
And this slide, this captures that exact problem. On the left, that's your awesome nuanced concept. But on the right, that's what the AI spits out. Often just a pale shadow of what you were hoping for. There's this huge communication gap, and today, we're going to close it for good.
So what's the fix? Well, the solution is a tool built specifically to be that bridge. It's called Promptique AI, and you can think of it as a translator between your simple ideas and the really complex instructions an AI needs to give you its best work.
The whole game is something called prompt enhancement. Look, think of it this way. Instead of just telling an artist to paint a boat, you're giving them a detailed blueprint. You're telling them the type of boat, the stormy weather, the time of day, even the style you want. That is exactly what this tool does for your AI prompts.
Now, Promptique AI actually has a few different models to choose from. You've got Promptique 1 for, a quick fix, but honestly, if you want the best results, you're going to want to go straight to the top dog, Promptique 2. It's the smartest, most intelligent model they have, designed for maximum detail.
Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts. How does this actually work? It's surprisingly simple to take your prompts from basic to brilliant, and I'm going to walk you through it right now.
It's really just a simple 5-step process. First things first, you just head over to the website. That's promptique.ai.base44.app. Once you're there, you log in. Super easy. You can use your Google account or just an email. Then you select your model. And of course, we're picking the powerhouse, Promptique 2. After that, you just type in your basic idea, whatever it is you want the AI to do. You click that big Enhance button and just let it do its thing. The last step? Just copy your new super prompt and you are all set to paste it into whatever AI tool you're using.
All right, this is where you really see the power in action. Let's do a little before and after, because there's no better way to understand the massive difference a great prompt makes. So here's our starting point. A super common, pretty standard request, write a blog post about productivity. Millions of people probably type something just like this every day. It's clear, sure, but it's not specific at all.
And because the prompt was generic, guess what? The result is 2. An AI like ChatGPT is just going to give you that same old bland listicle you've seen 100 times. Wake up early, make a to-do list. Yawn. It's correct, but it's boring, unoriginal, and frankly, not very helpful.
But now, check this out. This is the new prompt that Promptique AI created from that exact same simple idea. It's incredible. It specifies the target audience, so the AI knows who it's talking to. It sets the tone, empathetic, motivational, so the AI knows the vibe you're going for. It even maps out the entire structure. This isn't a prompt anymore, it's a complete creative brief. So what happens when you paste this prompt into your AI? The result is just night and day. You get a unique, engaging article that actually has a story. The advice is tailored, the tone is perfect. You've gone from a boring list to a genuinely valuable piece of content.
So, what's the big takeaway here? This is about so much more than just getting better blog posts. This is about fundamentally changing how you create and communicate with artificial intelligence.
Here's the bottom line. Better prompts equal better results. It really is that simple. You're going to save yourself hours of annoying edits and frustration. You are finally going to unlock what your AI is truly capable of. And maybe most importantly, you'll become a way more precise and effective communicator, which is basically a superpower in any job.
When it all comes down to it, this is the one truth you have to remember. An AI is an unbelievably powerful tool, but it can't read your mind. The quality of what you get out is always going to be a direct reflection of the quality of what you put in.
So I want you to think of the prompt differently. It's not just a command, it's your paintbrush. The AI, that's your canvas. The detail, the care, and the intention you put into that prompt is what will determine the final picture. So the only question left is, what masterpiece are you going to create?